Example number 5, mixture problems. A grocer mixes 5 pounds of egg noodles costing 80 cents per pound with 2 pounds of spinach noodles costing $1.50 per pound. What will the cost per pound be of the mixture? All right, so go ahead and try to make your table. I'm going to pause it and then start my table. All right, so we have concentration, amount, value. Remember, the relationship is we multiply concentration times amount to get value. Remember, sometimes amount can be kind of thought of as quantity, and concentration sometimes can be thought about as rate, right? Most of the time, or at least the last 3 examples we've seen, concentration in terms of percent per, percent acid, percent grape juice, etc. This time we're talking about a rate. We have pounds dollars per pound, right? And so we have dollars per pound in this case for our concentration or rate. All right, and so let's try to figure out the 2 components. Remember, we're always going to have component 1. So we're going to have one component, and then we're going to have a second component, and then our result is going to be our mixture, right? And so that's how these the table will be in terms of its columns and rows. So here we mix 5 pounds of egg noodles. So our first component is egg noodles. Okay, let me just circle it here. Oops. Just trying to spell moodles. All right, so we have 5 pounds of egg noodles, and it gives us our rate there. We'll get back to that. And then we're mixing spinach noodles. Spinach noodles. Okay, and we want, they don't necessarily name our mixture, but we have our, all together noodles. We'll just call it mix. Okay. All right. So concentration. So what's the rate for egg noodles? 80 cents per pound, right? So I'm going to put that in there, 0.80. We don't need the 0 at the end, but we'll just include it since they did. And then we know that the spinach noodles are $1.50 per pound. Okay. Let me just take out the dollar sign actually. All right. So now our mix, that's what they're asking. What will the cost of the mix be, right? So this is our X. So X is rate of mix, right? In other words, dollars per pound. Okay. All right, and so amount, let's try to fill those in. So 5 pounds of egg noodles, 2 pounds of spinach noodles. So how many pounds in our mixture? If we add the amounts, we get 7, right? And just to show the mental math here, just so we don't lose anybody, 5 plus 2 equals 7. All right, so now let's find our value. So we're going to multiply across, right? So we'll do this real quickly. If we have 0.80 times 5, we'll get 4, right? So what that means is that if we have 5 pounds, right, that's our quantity or amount is in pounds. So 5 pounds times 80 cents per pound, that means that's worth $4, right? So our value in this case is in dollars. And so anyway, same thing here. If we multiply 2 times $1.50, 2 pounds times $1.50 per pound, that'll equal $3, right? Okay, and then our mix is X dollars per pound times 7, so that's going to be 7X, right? All right, so remember, if we add these 2 rows, they should equal the third row. So 4 plus 3 equals 7X. All right, and then you should be able to get it from there, but we'll just continue. This is a pretty straightforward one. 7 equals 7X. Divide both sides by 7, and we get X equals 1. one what? Talking about concentration in dollars per pound, right? So $1 per pound is the rate or the cost of the mixture, right? All right. So let me know what questions you have. That concludes our mixture examples. So yeah, bring questions to class and or email me, and if I'll try to get back to you if you get me in at a good time. Okay, thanks.